The first Scream film was directed by Wes Craven, one of the early pioneers of the slasher genre, to pretty much kill the entire genre completely, as in the early 90s it was pretty much already dying. Instead, it revived the genre and kept it alive for a few years with countless imitators and sequels to pre-existing movies. It opens up with a very recognisable scene which is one of the greatest openings to any horror movie ever made. It's a simple pre-credits sequence that shows Drew Barrymore being tormented by a man over the phone. The call starts to escalate and the caller starts threatening her. He shows her boyfriend who's being held hostage on her porch. If she gets the question about horror movies that he asks right, he'll let him go. She gets them wrong and he dies. Then she's attacked by the killer who wears a black cape and a ghost mask, giving him the name of Ghostface. She is killed just as her parents are coming home and her mother sees her hanging from a tree dead. This is a perfect way to start the movie and tells you exactly what you're getting into. The film then reveals to us the main characters: Sidney Prescott, her boyfriend, her best friend, her best friend's boyfriend, her best friend's brother Dewey, and news reporter Gail. Sidney, Dewey, and Gail are the three final survivors that were in all four films. Sidney's feeling upset because it's the 1-year anniversary of her mother's rape and murder. Meanwhile, people are being killed and Sidney keeps getting attacked. The final act all takes place in a house party where the rules of surviving a slasher movie are told and where the killer's identity is revealed. The final twist about the killer's identity is really good, especially if you didn't know it before watching. I saw Scary Movie before watching Scream, and as it's a complete parody of Scream, the ending remains the same. If you haven't seen the ending yet, click the annotation to skip through the spoilers. Of course, we all know that Sidney's boyfriend is the killer. You can pretty much guess it when she catches him with a phone. The twist is very good and becomes a staple for the rest of the series. There's always a twist about the identity of the killer, the best one being in the fourth film. So what is it that I think makes this film so good? The way it mocks the entire slasher genre is absolutely ingenious. The self-aware characters make the film all the more interesting. The writing is fantastic and the characters are very likeable. The characters are actually probably some of the most fleshed out characters I've seen in any slasher movie ever made. The film does start to lose its comedic aspect about halfway through and takes a very dark, serious turn which they then use for the sequels. It is, however, pretty scary, especially the first time watching it. The school bathroom scene creeps me out every time I watch it. It's a very fast-paced film, which is expected from a slasher movie, especially one like this that's trying to be funny as well as scary. To me, Scream is a perfect horror movie. It combines some of the simple elements of slasher movies from the 80s, such as Friday the 13th, and adds a unique self-aware twist on it. Scream remains one of my favourite movies of all time. For me, it gets better every time I watch it. A billion films tried to cash in on the success of Scream by being similar, but the only ones that ever came close to being as good were the sequels. I give Scream an A++.